In this guide, I will be showing you guys iPhone says unable to check for update. Fix it in 2 minutes. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as a weak or unstable network is one of the most common reasons this error appears. If needed, switch to a different Wi-Fi network and try again. Next up, check if you are connected to any VPN. For that, go to settings, then tap on general, scroll down and tap on VPN and device management. If you are connected to any VPN, disable it, since VPNs can block Apple's update servers. After that, head back and click on transfer or reset icon. Click on reset, then click on reset network settings. Reconnect to Wi-Fi once your device restart and try update it again. Another important step is to check screen time restrictions. For that, head back to the main page of settings, go to the option screen time, make sure you have disabled the option called content and privacy restriction, as this can sometimes block software update. If none of these steps work, you may need to use a tool like bot on your PC to force the update on or downgrade. Just connect your iPhone to your PC or Mac and open VIB board. Choose the iOS upgrade or downgrade option, download the correct firmware and let the tool complete the process automatically. For user trying to downgrade, always remember to back up your data first using iTunes or Finder before proceeding. Once the process is complete, then restore your backup to get all your data back safely. And that's it. That's how you can fix the unable to check for update error on your iPhone.